This is so boring. How long am I gonna do this for?
Don't worry, man. You're gonna enjoy yourself with festivals and catering parties. You meet lovely customers, and the best part is, you know what? You get free food from other food trucks.
Thank you.
You don't gotta go to work, 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 but you gotta put in work, 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 work. You don't gotta go to work, 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 work. Let my body do the work, work, work.
Would sing beside of the grindstone screen. Oh, I can't believe that it's so simple. It feels so natural to me. This is love, and love is easy. It's the easiest thing to do. If this is love, then love completes me. Cause it feels like I've been missing you.
What the important stuff?
What are we doing?
I'm gonna beat your ass.